Assalamu alaikum grade 3, how are you? Our lesson today is divide by 8 and 9. In the last two lessons, you have learned how to multiply by 8 and 9. Through this lesson, you will learn how to divide by 8 and 9. We will use the same strategies that we have used before. Let's see how can we apply them when we divide by 8 and 9. Let's start with example number 1. Kira and 8 of her friends made 63 paper airplanes, like this one. Can you do just like this one, grade 3? It's so funny, right? They will each take home an equal number. How many paper airplanes will each take home? To find that, we have to find 63 divided by 9. Because we have 8 friends with Kira, so we have 9, and they made 63 paper airplanes. So to find 63 divided by 9, we can apply many strategies. Let's start with use counters. If you have 63 counters, try to partition them into 9 equal groups. Like this, you can draw 9 equal groups, and then we will partition these 63 counters in these groups. You can put 1 or 2 at a time because you know that if you have one object in each group, you will not get 63. So you can start with 2 counters each group, and then you will add them until you reach 63. If you try it, you will find you need 7 counters in each group. Since you have 7 counters in each group, so 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Now let's try another way. We will find 63 divided by 9 using repeated addition. We will start with the dividend, it's 63, and we will subtract 9 from this number. So 63 minus 9 equals 54, and 54 minus 9 equals 45. 45 minus 9 equals 36. 36 minus 9 equals 27. 27 minus 9 equals 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And finally, 9 minus 9 equals 0. Since we reach 0, we have to stop. Now, let's count how many times do we subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 63 divided by 9 equals 7. So each friend will take home 7 airplanes. So interesting. Now, please, grade 3, be sure to write these answers on your book and don't forget to draw these groups. If you finished, let's solve example number 2. Every time 8 people came through the gate at the theater exhibit, a bell rang. How many times did the bell ring if 32 people came through the gate? To find that, we have to find 32 divided by 8 equals what? We can solve it by counters, repeated subtraction, or using an array, and a related multiplication sentence, because as you know, division and multiplication are inverse operations. So we can draw an array like this. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 32 until you get 32. Of course, here we have 8 columns, or you can think about it like what times 8 equals 32. You know that 4 times 8 equals 32. So the unknown is 4. 32 divided by 8 equals 4, and 4 times 8 equals 32. So the bell rang 4 times. So please, grade 3, be sure to write these answers on your book and then try to solve the next 2 questions. When you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page. You can check your answers here. Of course, this is for page number 464. You can check your answers. The next 2 pages are your homework, grade 3, so please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check them here. And here you can check my progress. page number 467, and page number 468. That's enough for today, grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.